How to see your muted accounts on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your muted accounts on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy. Choose the fourth option, it's privacy and safety, and choose again the fourth option, mute and block. Click on it. Right here you will find some options, and here is the muted accounts option. Click on it, and right here you will find your muted accounts easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.